So I'm presenting a selection of some of my favorite experiments, which are my current personal favorites. Also, they're the ones I'm presenting today, ones that can be packed up easily into those bags over there that I had in my backpack when arriving here.
Yeah! You made it to the top! It's working! The level of water in the tube is rising. It means the air inside the bottle is expanding, pressing the balloon inside.
Michael Gregory, kanadski nastavnik fizike koji radi u internacionalnoj školi u Parizu i putuje biciklom po Evropi, održao je učenicima gimnazije Borka Petrovića o svom radu kaže.
Big benefit for me is to gather new ideas that I can use for my own teaching in Paris and that with my students I can share in other places.
Studentima koji zatim idu u druge inostrane zemlje to pokazuju druge deci.
The benefit for them is to see a new way of, to see new experiments and to look at the science they're learning in the perspective of a different teacher. So just like I look for new ideas, I share new ideas with them as well. Has it stopped going down?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, can we get you to measure the height it is above here? Okay, so 4.8. And now we need to get water that's slightly warmer. Because if it was 19.5 or 19.6, we rounded up to 20, which was 22.4. And it doesn't really matter whether it's 2 degrees off, because that'll just throw our absolute zero off by 2 degrees.
Okay.
And we're going to be off by about 10%.
All right.
Pa Nina, što si probušila balon? Sram te bilo. So what happened? Ali, kada ljuštite po moranju, pogledajte pažljivo.
You can see a little bit of mist coming.
Vidite malo izmagalice.
And you can smell that.
I to možete da namirišete. A da?
And lemonade dissolves rubber. And if the lemonade makes a tiny hole,
Iako taj... Tako je. Čim napravite tu malu rupu, ceo balon će pući.
0, 1,
0, 1.
1, 1, 1, 1. Getting to meet new people, which is always exciting, but also new ways of seeing the world and being able to share my curiosity with other people and see that in students. They decided to start teaching these English lessons. And at the same time at the school, I was looking for students to teach science lessons, to come up with new experiments to teach younger teachers. And they became some of the more active teachers from this. And so after I came back from Ghana, where I was visiting another teacher from CERN, named Chris, then I came back and I talked about all the experiments we shared there. And these students said, okay, well, we need to go there as well. For me, it's important that students can do things themselves to see things happen rather than just believe me. And then this side of this row is the one I showed.
Aha! Bravo!